the perfect addition to your home garden. These radish seeds will give you the opportunity to grow your own delicious and healthy radishes right in the comfort of your own backyard. Cherry Belle radishes are known for their crisp, crunchy texture and bright red color, making them a delicious and attractive addition to any salad or sandwich. They are also incredibly healthy, low in calories and high in vitamin C, and packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These seeds are easy to grow, require little maintenance, and can be grown in small spaces. Perfect for urban gardening, balcony gardening, and even indoor gardening. With these Cherry Belle radish seeds, you can enjoy fresh and healthy radishes all year round. Whether you're planting a small container or a larger garden bed, these seeds are sure to thrive. They are also a great choice for anyone looking to introduce their children to gardening or teach them about where their food comes from. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grow your own delicious and healthy radishes with my Cherry Belle radish seeds. Order now and start your home garden today.